Joining me now to discuss is the mayor of Yuma, Arizona, Douglas Nicholls. Mr. Nicholls, I started my journalism career in Yuma covering border issues. When you see video like this, do you think that that is the proper use of force, or is it just going too far?
Well, I mean, I don't know this specific scenario, but in general, when our law enforcement are trying to do their job, if there's a big violent pushback like we've seen in a lot of other neighborhoods with rocks being thrown and fireworks and other things, when you have a violent reaction by the public to have a violent return action by law enforcement, it's not surprising. Again, this situation, I mean, it's in the neighborhood. I don't know how big the crowd was. I wasn't really sure how much aggression they had towards law enforcement. But I think a lot of people in this day and age are expecting no repercussion if they essentially attack law enforcement. And I think that's a misnomer. We need to really understand that there are repercussions when people gather and try to interrupt lawful actions.
Sure. On Tuesday, top Border Patrol official Greg Bavino is ordered to appear in court after he was caught on video throwing a tear gas canister at protesters. Demonstrators argue that this violated a court order limiting the use of certain crowd control methods unless absolutely necessary. Critics say that these orders get in the way of officers doing their jobs. What do you say to those who are concerned that officers could potentially be breaking the law?
Well, I think they need to step back and take a look at the situation from the officer's eyes. When you're in a situation and there may be 20 of you, but there's 100 protesters and rocks are being thrown, you don't know what's coming at you. I understand that director got hit in the head with the rock. That would be a violent action. And I think at some point, when you wait too long, things get really bad. So, a canister of gas isn't the worst thing. It doesn't cause permanent damage. It doesn't have the potential of killing anybody. Projectiles do have the ability to hurt people and be fatal. So I think from that perspective, a canister of gas is a pretty minor thing, and particularly if the law enforcement agents really believe that they were starting to lose ground and their lives were potentially in trouble.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.